Machine is a zero learning curve program. It has an AI interactive training system. So basically, you only need to do what the AI tells you, in the sense, for example, new client. So you are going to do whatever the AI, please click the add contact button. So we're gonna do that, and we are going to add the name, email. Here again, we have a different AI that we want. You want to enter the data of the client, or I will enter my client will enter the data, or I will enter the data. In this case, I'm putting that my client will enter the data, so it will tell you what to do in the video, which essentially is to pause the portal. But here is the video. Okay, so that's pretty much that. I'm going to go to the portal, set a few parameters, selecting agreement, and also I can um, let me omit these records here, and also I can have an onboarding videos for your client. So that's it, pretty much. We're posting now, and I'm going. This is a prospect, so we can email the link to the portal, and here is the portal for the client. So essentially, the client has two videos to learn all the advantages of the client portal. It's going to be available to you. It's going to have multilingual. And here we have the agreement that the client will sign up here. And then we have the right to cancel. The client will sign up here and then submit. And the client will enter the personal information, which I'm going to do later. We have three monetizing links. We are compatible with pretty much everybody, and the client will enter the documents here. I'm gonna do that all together now. All the documents have been received and all the data in the record. So I'm gonna go and convert this into an active client. I could charge the client here if I want, and go to the dispute center to extract. And extraction will take 15 seconds and do the work of 2 hours in, or the equivalent to 2 hours in modern software. On clicking, it will create all the freeze letters, all collections, all personal information, all the factual discrepancy table, identify inquiries that you should not dispute, assign all the dispute reason, assign all the dispute letters, and pretty much that's it. You are ready to print. We're ready to print right now. All the freeze letters done, the personal information, all the derogatory items, inquiries, late payment, collection, judgment, charge off, collection, validation letters, everything created, absolutely everything, including the envelopes for the different derogatory items, also the factual discrepancy tables were created. You can see here and also here, color, and here in the table. Also, inquiries have been eliminated. These inquiries won't print, so we're ready to print. We have a win strategy. So for to really have a zero learning curve, and then we print. That's it, pretty much. including the envelopes we print, and create a backup if we want. So it's possible to create a backup, and in a few seconds the the letters are created and the backup is created. So now we have the letters here, and this is the personal information letter with a beautiful signature, social, date of birth, the documents collated. So those are the documents that the client sent from the portal. The envelope, so you only need to fold here, put it into a double window number 10 envelope. Equifax, Experian, TransUnion here. Then we're going to have the freeze letter here. This is Innovis. And here is the law, the request, signature, documents. Then we have a bunch of other freeze letters, and we will arrive to the collection validation letter, which we're going to see in a second. So this is one of them. This one is addressed to the collection agency. Here is the law. Here are the 4 points of validation. Should not be signed, should not have social, should not have their birth. It has a thread here that is very useful and many times delete before we dispute. And then this one should not have documents. So the program takes care of that automatically. And here is the envelope. So that's it pretty much. And then next, the status changes automatically. So next a month, when you extract, the ones that are deleted will say deleted. The ones that say if there's something new, is going to be added. If it's not deleted, the letters will change automatically. So everything will be done automatically in seconds, month after month. So that's pretty much that. Thank you.